Abdul here with the University of the People. Effective study tips, okay? First of all, have a schedule. Stick to your schedule. As well, set time for breaks in your schedule, and organize your schedule. Have time for reading, for research, and for editing your work. After you write, of course. You need to make sure you edit your work. Take notes. Take a lot of notes. That's very helpful. You don't even have to read your notes. Just writing your notes helps you remember. Use visuals if you need to. I use visuals because it helps me understand complex thoughts. And practice exams, practice quizzes, talk to your classmates, quiz each other if you have to. But make sure you have a good schedule and everything else falls in place. Thank you.